Maggie, oh Maggie. The name itself brings a smile to faces around the world. A beloved snack, a quick meal, a culinary blank canvas. It's more than just food, it's a global phenomenon. From India to Nigeria, its 2-minute magic unites us all. No matter where you are, Maggie is a comforting constant. Those springy noodles, the savory aroma, a taste of pure comfort. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. But what happens when we infuse this global icon with the vibrant flavors of India? The result is nothing short of magical. Get ready for a culinary adventure. We're about to take a simple dish and elevate it to new heights. We're about to embark on a journey to create Desi Vegetable Maggi, a dish that's as easy as it is delicious. Imagine the burst of flavors with every bite. Think of it as a symphony of textures and tastes, where crunchy vegetables meet the irresistible allure of Maggie's signature masala. It's a fusion that tantalizes the taste buds. And the best part, it's a dish you can easily whip up in your own kitchen. Perfect for any time of the day, whether it's a quick lunch or a midnight snack. What makes Desi Vegetable Maggi so special? It's all about those fresh, vibrant ingredients that elevate a simple bowl of Maggi into a culinary masterpiece. Imagine crunchy carrots, sweet peas, and earthy spinach, all coated in a fragrant blend of spices. This is where the magic of Indian cooking comes alive. We'll be using everyday spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder to create a flavor profile that's both familiar and exciting. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step, ensuring your Desi Vegetable Maggi is bursting with authentic Indian flavors. Let's talk vegetables. This recipe is all about celebrating the goodness of fresh produce. Grab your favorite cutting board and let's get chopping. We'll be using a colorful medley of carrots, peas, onions, and green chilies. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touch. Love bell peppers? Throw them in. Cauliflower fan? It's more than welcome. The key is to create a visually appealing and flavor-packed base for our Desi Vegetable Maggi. Section 4. Cooking Magic. Transforming Maggi into a culinary delight. Now for the fun part, cooking. This is where the magic happens, and we turn a simple packet of Maggi into a gourmet experience. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan and toss in those aromatic spices. The combination of cumin, mustard seeds, and a hint of turmeric will elevate the flavor profile. The sizzle and fragrance will fill your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. It's the first sign that something delicious is on its way. Next, add the chopped onions, letting them soften and turn translucent. This step is crucial as it adds a sweet and savory base to our dish. Now it's time for the star of the show, Maggi. Open the package and get ready to transform these humble noodles. Crumble the noodles into the pan and give everything a good stir. Make sure the noodles are well coated with the spices and onions. Pour in water, allowing the Maggi to cook and absorb all those incredible flavors. The water will help the noodles soften and blend with the spices. As the Maggi softens, those vibrant vegetables will release their juices, creating a luscious sauce. The combination of textures and flavors will make this dish truly special. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste and let it simmer until everything is perfectly cooked. Section 5. Savoring the moment, garnishing and enjoying your Desi Veggie Maggi. This is the final step where we add the finishing touches to our delicious creation. Our Desi Vegetable Maggi is almost ready. The aroma is already making our mouths water, isn't it? Sprinkle in the Maggi masala and watch as the color deepens. This step is crucial as it infuses the noodles with that signature Maggi flavor we all love. Finally, stir in those chopped green chilies for a touch of heat. If you prefer a milder taste, you can always adjust the amount of chilies to your liking. And for the grand finale, a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped coriander. This not only adds a burst of color but also a refreshing flavor that complements the spices perfectly. Serve your Desi Vegetable Maggi piping hot and savor every delicious bite. The steam rising from the dish is a sign that it's ready to be enjoyed. The combination of springy noodles, crunchy vegetables, and the aromatic blend of spices is pure comfort food bliss. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and flavors. And the best part, you've just created a culinary masterpiece. Take a moment to admire your work before diving in. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share it with loved ones for an even more rewarding experience.